What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. What you just saw was the final edit to my Gillette razor commercial, and now stay tuned for behind the scenes. Alright, so today we are going to be shooting on the red Epic MX 5K. The first thing I have up is on the 50mm lens. I have the two Godox SL60Y continuous LEDs. One is on a lantern. One has a snoot on there providing just a spotlight right here onto the Lazy Susan, where we're going to hopefully get some nice tasty shots of this razor. I already had one at first, but it was dirty, so yeah. So first things first, we're going to get just the standard rotating shot on the green screen. Everything's gonna be shot green screen on this video today. So here we go. All right, so for this first shot, I hot glue gunned the razor to a piece of random camera. I'm pretty sure this is a light stand topper where you're gonna attach other pieces. And yeah, hot glue gunned it, got it on the green screen, and I'm just ready to get some nice tasty rotational shots. Go ahead and turn the Lazy Susan on if it was plugged up. It is not. And boom, there we have the rotation. And make sure my focus is good. Alright, so for the second shot, and it's recording now, it's still glue gun. I switched over to the Lauer Probe, and I want to get a real nice clean close-up shot of the blade. I moved the light in because you know the Lauer Probe needs a lot of light, and I took the light dome off of this one, and that actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna let it go for one more rotation. Alright, now for this next shot, the next three shots, I'm gonna take the razor apart. You have the main razor, you have the backside, and you have the battery. I'm gonna get a few seconds of each thing, and in post I'm gonna put it together and make it look like it comes apart so you can see the workings of it in the commercial. So for this next shot, I have all the lights on a bowl of water. It's turned on to vibrate, and the Lauer Probe is back on. I reset the white balance. I'm shooting at about 300 frames a second. And I'm just gonna get the vibrations of the razor in the water, and that'll be the final shot of the video. Not sure where to stitch into the video, but it'll be the final shot of the ad. So here we go. Recording. Focus is set. 3, 2, 1. All right, there you have it, folks. That is how I shot this epic Gillette Pro Glide razor commercial. Here's the finished product once again. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video, and as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.